The space probes Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 visited 4 distant planets, took vivid pictures, and conducted hundreds of scientific investigations. But recently, Voyager 1 started sending data that had scientists stumped. Probe equipment that made it all the way beyond the solar system has been working well almost all the time thanks to the excellent level of protection the space probes have. The Voyager probes took many extraordinary images of Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. They turned off their cameras and some other devices to save energy, but other devices were still able to conduct research, sending data back to Earth without much trouble. The probes reached the edge of the solar system and then the heliosphere, where they found a magnetic field that was 10 times stronger than in a solar wind. The heliopause is the solar system's last line of defense against dangerous cosmic rays and interstellar dust. The plasma at the outer boundary of the heliopause is about 30,000 to 50,000 Kelvin, but the probes managed to go through this region undamaged. The wall of fire, which Voyagers discovered, is likely to play an important role in interstellar missions, but we still don't know whether astronauts will be able to overcome it. As the probes entered stellar space, they recorded different sounds. Scientists were able to determine the source of the noise and realize that there is more gas in interstellar space than previously thought. Voyager 1's main radio receiver malfunctioned in 1978, and its telemetry started sending absurd data back to Earth. The mission specialists investigated the situation and switched to the right computer, but the cause of the malfunction is still unknown. The Voyager spacecraft's power sources are getting cooled and depleted, but it still has enough fuel to keep its instruments running until 2025. In 30,000 years, Voyager 1 will pass through the Earth cloud, and in 40,000 years, Voyager 2 will pass 1.7 light-years from Ross 248. Scientists have painted a rough picture of a distant future where the Milky Way will collide with the Andromeda Galaxy, and the probes will be ejected from the new monster galaxy. If they remain inside the unified galaxy, their fate will depend on the same dust. NASA has created a concept for an interstellar probe that will study the solar wind and its use for sailing spacecraft.